Hello dear student, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see the next topic which are important in the class Pisces group. In the group of Pisces, it is known as the ostiich thighs. Basically you know that what is the definition of ostiich thighs. Ostiich thighs is a bony fish, that is ostiich means bone and thighs means fish. Okay, so it is known as the skeleton made of the bone. So we looking forward this message on the ostiich thighs. Is osteon a bone ichthyes, that is a fish, and this ostiich thighs is made by the bone and the skeleton of the fish bones. It is known as the ostiich thighs. Okay, now you can see this classification, that is taxonomic study of ostiich thighs is the kingdom Animalia. Then it is come under the phylum Chordata, then subphylum Vertebrata, and class is the ostiich thighs. So this is the basic taxonomic study of the ostiich thighs. Now second one is, you can see the what is the history of this ostiich thighs. Now you can mind it well, this ostiich thighs means the bony fish. Ostiich thighs is nothing but the bony fish. So it is a one of the Silurian species. Silurian means the fossils, and it is come under the subclass, that is Actinopterygi and Sarcopterygi. Actinopterygi means ACTINOPTERYGII, Actinopterygi. In the case of this Actinopterygi, there are many type of the species which are come under the subclass Actinopterygi, that is known as the ray-finned fishes. Ray-finned fishes means the stingray fish, they are come under the Actinopterygi subclass. And second one is the Sarcopterygi, that is lobe-finned fishes. Lobe, those fishes having a lobe, that come under the Sarcopterygi. Then the Devonian Sarcopterygians is the lungfishes, Coelacanthus, that is living fossils, Rhipidestians, that is a paraphyletic incomplete lie on the line of ancestry to the tetrapods. Tetrapods means these amphibians animals. And the early Actinopterygians is the heavy bony scales over the whole body and large bony plates over the head regions. So next is, that is actual classification is, that is ostiich thighs. The ostiich thighs come under the two subclass, Actinopterygians, Sarcopterygians. These Actinopterygians is the beachers, paddlefish, sturgeon, gars, bowfins and teleost. And the chondric thighs is shark, rays, Coelacanthus, lungfish and tetrapods. Then classification is, it is about 44 orders and 435 families of the bony fishes, and we have studied only the 10 or 20 species of fishes in the class Actinopterygi. The Sarcopterygi is the Crossopterygi, the Coelacanth, the Ceratodiformis, Australian lungfish, Lepidosirenoformis, that is American lungfish, and the Actinopterygi is, that is redfish, sturgeonfish, paddlefish, bowfish, garpike, tarpon and 10-pounder fish. Okay, now you can see the actual definition of this Actinopterygi or the ostiich thighs is, they are found in tropical, temperate and polar seas, in freshwater, seawater as well as the brackish environment. And but this ostiich thighs, it is a one of the group of class. and there are differentiated many subclasses and order accordingly, so that these species of fishes which can identify in a different environment like fresh water, sea water and brackish water. And approximately 58% of all the species of bony fishes live in marine environments. Okay, and the freshwater fishes make up the approximately 42% of the fish species which is found in the these ostrich that is bony fishes. Now you can see the general character of this species is the habitat, the desert pupfish, that is Cyprinodon. Okay, then lives the Cyprinodon maculatarius is lives in small hot springs of California, and it can tolerate temperature greater than 52 degree centigrade temperature. तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर हा स्पीसीज जे पफ फिश आहे किंवा त्याला पफर फिश म्हणतात, तर हा डेझर्ट आहे. आपण एक ऑस्टिक थायचं जनरल कॅरेक्टर बघितलं तर हा पफ फिश एक एक्झाम्पल आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये हा डेंजरस आहे आणि तो 52 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचरला टॉलरेट होतो. दी आर्क्टिक कॉड बोरियंगॅडस सायडा can survive temperature as low as -2 degree centigrade, and the Miss gummus fossils, a type of loach, can survive in as little as 0.5 mg per liter of dissolved oxygen. Then it is one of the smallest dwarf pygmy goby, that is Pandaka pygmea, the freshwater fish of the Philippines, that is 8 mm and 0.3 that is an inch of this size of this species, and its maturity is about not more than 0.3 and 0.5 mm, and it is a largest when you see this species of mola, that is it is commonly mola, and it is richly about 3.7 milli and 1.3 feet, that is this is 3.5 meter and that is 13 feet, and the weight is about 1500 kilograms. You can see this bony fishes feeding habit is the mostly, you can see this is the one of the look type of this species, that is feeding habitat is mostly the fish are carnivorous because they can easily eat the planktons as well as the small crevices like that, the crustacean, crabs and fishes. So this is the carnivore fish, and it is a well developed teeth used for capturing the and holding the small crevices. So many type of the species of the fishes in the bony fishes, they are a herbivorous and larger than the carnivore. Then it is a group of mouth, gill, rackers and pharynx may have teeth to help the hold the fishes. म्हणजे फिशला एक प्रकारचं टीथ आहे, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये एक माउथ कॅव्हिटी चांगल्या प्रकारे आहे, म्हणून ते जर एकदा एखाद्या स्मॉल फिशला जर कॅच केलं तर ते होल्ड चांगल्या प्रकारे करेल आणि ते त्याला सोडणार नाही. दी रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह बिहेवियर, रिप्रोडक्शन इज जनरली सायक्लिक इन मेनी bony fishes. Generally it is variable for their reproduction, because you know that the very small type of the fishes, they copulate with the male and females, and male they are releases the sperm with the female, they are conserve their eggs in their ovary, and later on the eggs they are released in the water, and the male they go to there and using their saliva for the fecundity of their eggs for hatching their new juveniles. So the reproduction in general is cyclic in bony fishes. The duration of the cycles may be as short as 4 weeks or as long as many years, because this duration of cycle is different. And the Pacific salmon, that is family Salmonidae, reproduce only once during their 5-year lifespan, then die soon after. So they are wastage their lifespan period for their reproduction and reproduce the Salmonidae in the Pacific salmon. So that this is the class osteichthyes, and these osteichthyes having the mouth is terminal or subterminal, jaw or with teeth. The body is covered with cycloid and ctenoid scales or both. It is a very minute scales which can have using under the microscope. The skin bears numerous mucous glands, and the respiration by 4 pairs of gills covered by bony operculum. Air bladder is absent, they don't have a air bladder, and the tail fin is homospherical or diaphyseal type. The presence of anus is a distinguishing character. So they have an example is Protopterus clarius. So this is the type of the species which are come under the class osteichthyes.